See your multimeter on DC because we are checking DC voltage. Okay, and we want to check your battery from your battery lead, which is this plug here. Your red lead, put it in the red lead, in where the red is, black in where the black is, and we're checking voltage from the battery tray to the meter, to the controller. And it looks like we've got 53.1, so it's almost fully charged, and we do have voltage going into the controller. Okay, so if the switch on the battery was off, it will show no voltage. Switch on the battery's on, shows voltage. It's always something you want to check first. It's kind of a dummy-proof question. So, all right. And if you do it on backwards, it won't matter because it'll just show. Should just show negative. What is going on? We want to check your battery voltage, and obviously this one is negative. And your battery, your controller powers up with your two outside leads, which is here and here. So this is your negative. This is your positive, and we've got 53.1 volts in the battery. These two leads are for your brake lights. Okay, so if you notice these pins are spread out too far or anything, bend them back in. These two are for your brake light and tail light. Center one is dead. It does nothing. It's just a guide. Okay, so your center pins don't matter at all. Outside of your battery is your controller. Okay, 53.1. Your insides will show no voltage at all, but that's where your battery leads, your brake light leads are.